Hello friends, please subscribe my channel, press the bell notification icon and for latest technical videos. Today I will show you how to install Windows 10 in its system. So here it is the system requirements, and to install Windows you need to boot the system with Windows 10 bootable disk. So you will get the window like this. So now the system is booting from the bootable disk. You will get the option for the installation setup. So here is the Windows setup window. Select the option, press next button. Now click on install now. Setup is starting the window. So here we will get the option to enter the product key for Windows 10. Enter the product key. After that, click next. Now select the custom option that you are installing the first window. So select the hard disk. You can make the partition here. When I have 50 GB hard disk, so I'm just installing the window on that. Click on next. Now the installation is started in the system. So it will take some time, depend on your system performance, how far you install your system. So it will take more time, so I'm following this video. So once the installation is completed, Windows just finishing up the installation. Just about to complete. You have to wait for a few more seconds. Now window need to restart. You can click on restart now button, but it will also automatically restart the system within 10 seconds. So Windows 5 installation completed. Installation is completed. Now you will get the option for the configuration of the window settings. Just a minute. Here it is the welcome screen. So here it is the Windows 10 built help assistance. You can use your voice and keyboard. Okay, just a moment. Have to wait. So now select the region. So I'm going to select India. You have to select your country. Again, you click yes. Now you'll get the option for keyboard. So select your option, then click yes. Skip it. Now set up your system if it's a personal user or for the organization. So I'm selecting as a personal. Now here is the option for the Microsoft account. So enter here your account or create an account, or I'm just clicking on the offline account to just skip this option. So now enter the name of the user. I enter the name, create the password. Next, confirm your password by retyping the same password. Press next. Now enter the hint for a password so that you can not forget that password. It will help you to remember the password in future. So select the settings as per your requirement. Then click on accept. So it says now is done and it's about complete. It will take few seconds more. Then we'll get you the Windows desktop. So here it is, the Windows 10 desktop. You can see I can show you the settings, some different settings and different features in Windows 10. Windows 10 is mostly used for the using tablet and laptops and PC. going to show you the multitasking feature in the task view. You can see 3 applications which I opened. In task view, you can see the view of every task. Great feature. So thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment and share the video. Subscribe my channel for more technical videos. Thank you very much.